In 2023, we conducted 3 policy workshops which invited relevant stakeholder groups to qualify the pilot policy recommendations for the use of AI in the media sector we had previously developed. These workshops provided cross-stakeholder insights into which legal considerations are needed for the responsible use and development of AI for media. The 3 workshops followed the same format, but gathered different groups of stakeholders, including representatives from media organizations, media researchers, technical experts, use case partners, and lastly, media and legal scholars working on the intersection of AI and media. During these workshops, participants discussed several provocative statements regarding AI's role in the media sector and the role of regulation in order to highlight problematic and potential solutions. Participants then created their regulation wish list to ensure the responsible use of AI in the media sector. The outputs include more democratic participation and value-based tech regulatory frameworks. Also to address power concentration related to AI and technology, improve transparency and accountability, promoting open data and data accessibility, support media and creative industries, and also, lastly, develop responsible funding, and so forth. For the full regulation wish lists and the outcomes of these prototyping exercises, make sure to read our 3 policy workshop reports.